more than 35 centimeters of rain in just 24 hours. That's what parts of eastern Libya faced this month as a storm overwhelmed 2 dams, flooding the city of Derna, killing thousands. Scientists say rising temperatures made that disaster up to 50 times more likely. From floods and intense storms to dangerous heat waves, the impacts of climate change are intensifying.
Global sea surface temperatures are unprecedented. Antarctic sea ice is unprecedentedly low for this time of year, and it was the hottest August on record by a big margin. It's the second hottest month ever, and this follows July 2023, which was the hottest month on record.
We must be determined to tackle the most immediate threat to our future, our overheating planet. Climate change is not just a change in the weather. Climate change is changing life on our planet. It is affecting every aspect of our work. It is killing people and devastating communities.
The UN is calling for immediate action and drastic cuts to global greenhouse gas emissions in an effort to meet the goals of the Paris Climate Agreement. With just months to go until the next UN Climate Summit in Dubai, the Secretary General says the targets can be met, but there is no time to waste.
The 1.5 degrees limit is possible to be achieved. We are not talking about a dream. We are talking about something that can be real if we mobilize all our energies to make it happen.
Droughts are becoming one of the biggest threats to sustainable development. Some researchers say that by 2050, dry spells and the lack of rain will affect over 3/4 of the global population. In north-central China, drought has been particularly challenging, but one experiment is trying to reverse its effects with a solution straight from nature.
The whole region used to be a desert world. The local people have joined forces with nature to push back the desert and carved out a patch of paradise amidst all the sand.
Tang Ximing is part of the government's scientific research team for desertification control. Desertification is degradation of drylands that happens as a result of climate change and worsening droughts, as well as human activities like overgrazing. With limited funds to solve the problem, Tang experimented with several methods until he came up with a simple yet innovative solution, a grass grid.
你看，这草房格的草的长度是不能短于60公分的。这么对折一扎，扎在沙面下是10到15公分，上面呢留着15到20公分。那么在铺的过程中呢，在我们往底下铺的时候，草的长度是，这个铺的厚度就是1到2公分，太厚了扎不下去。
The roots are 8 to 10 times longer than the grass itself, deep enough to find underground water. Starting in 2000, the government began to invest more funds into reversing desertification. Today, 1.5 million square kilometers of desert in China have been treated.
你看，这地方房格扎好以后。 种的草，你看，我心情特别激动，因为在沙漠里面，是种活一棵树，种活一棵草是很不容易的。就是我到了沙漠里面，看着一个，在沙漠里面活上一棵树一个草，就像爱护它们，就像爱护我的小孩一样。这是一代人接着一代，就是这么干下来的，才使我们的这个沙漠呢，北边呢形成了一道。 这个生态的屏障，就保护着我们的家园、我们的黄河，还有我们的铁路和其他基础设施。